I improve your vision, skin, and immunity.
These AI videos you are seeing right now is going viral. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create talking fruits and vegetables using only free AI tool. Let's get started. The first step is to type in this prompt on ChatGPT. I will leave my prompt on the pinned comment of this video. Remember to check that. In where there is blanket, remember to type in what you want, the type of fruit you want, the surface and the background of that fruit. You can see now I want an apple, and the background you can write table. You can see mine have written table, and the background should be, and then I click on OK and send it, and ChatGPT will give me a master prompt. Okay, this prompt you can share it with someone else who want to create the same type of video. And you can see there is also a short cut or a short template, and then you can see there is my prompt here for two fruits. There's banger and there is apple. Okay, those are two prompts for each and every fruit I want to create. Okay, so this prompt you use them to create the images. Okay, that is why I'm telling you you can add also some other fruits if you want. You just ask it what about the an orange, carrot, and all the other type of fruits you want. Let me copy for banger, then copy for apple, and I think that is not enough. Let me ask about carrot, and I will tell ChatGPT this, give the image prompt for carrot, and I would send carrots, and I would send just one carrot. You need one fruit, and this is my prompt. And you can see there's also a short version of the prompt, but I prefer to use the long version of it. Let me copy this prompt, and we head over to the next step where we are going to create our images. Okay, let me copy this. Now the next step is to create the images. To do that, I'm going to use whisk, paste in the first prompt there for the banger, and I will choose the aspect ratio 9:16, and I'll give it some second, and whisk will just take some second to generate two images, and those are two images. I prefer the first image because of the eyes are facing straight. Okay, I prefer that. I download the image, and then I will copy the second prompt for the apple, and I will give it some second. And whisk is free and unlimited, guys, so you can use it. Okay, here I prefer the first okay, I prefer the first fruit. Oh, I just deleted it mistakenly, so let me ask it again. Ask whisk again to generate the image. Just send that. Okay, I love the first image again. Let me now create the third image for the carrot. I'll just paste in the prompt for the carrot. This prompt we copied them from ChatGPT, remember? Okay, and I like image too. I just download it and save it on my device. If this is useful so far, hit like button and subscribe to the JD Studio. Now the next step is to animate and lip sync our photos, our fruits, and to do that we are going to use Grok AI, which is free at the time of recording this video. Just upload the image and then paste in what the image should say first, like that. Here at a banger, I will just delete the word banger and I will write the word dialogue, and then write a colon, then opening quotation mark there, opening quotation mark and closing quotation mark at the end of the sentence, like that. And then under that I will give it a space, and then I will copy the prompt I used to generate the image is the same prompt I'm going to animate the image with. So I'll just click on that and click on send, this send arrow button here, and give Grok some seconds to generate the image for me. That is what Grok can do. I said Grok is free at the time of recording this video. You can see how fast it can create the video. It is very fast. Okay, just give it some second and Grok will turn it to a video, and let's listen.
I provide energy, protein, and satisfaction.
As you can see, Grok did amazing job. You can also do this using Digen app. I have done a lot of tutorials about Digen. just follow my last tutorials and you shall see what I gen and how you can follow how to do that. Okay, download the video and head over back. Now we want to import our second photo, which is the carrot. Just import carrot like that. You can see it is uploading. When it's uploading, paste in what you want carrot to say. This you can just find them from Google or anywhere. The importance of anything, or just a lesson about a plant or a fruit or anything. After that, you need to paste in the prompt you use to generate the image. It's the same prompt you are going to use to generate the video. I have said that many times. Give Grok some minutes to create a clip for you and listen to what Grok created.
I improve your vision, skin, and immunity.
Wow, I like that. Now let's animate our third image or fruit, and that is the apple, I think. Okay, yes, is the apple. Just click on that, upload the image, and then I'll type to customize video. Write what apple should say. Under the apple name here, write dialogue. Remember to add opening and closing quotation marks. Give it a space and paste in the prompt you used to generate the video. Okay, or you use to generate the image. It's the same prompt you use to generate the video. I have said it 100 times, so remember that. That is the same prompt you're going to generate the video with. Now this is what Grok AI created for us. Just listen to it, and after that you download and save it on your phone. As I said earlier, you can also do this using Digen app, and it is very good. Okay, I did not like that clip. Okay, let me regenerate it again because I did not like that clip. Okay, you just click on the said arrow again and give it some second, and Grok will create for you that video you want until you have the best. Just listen to what I created and see.
I help your digestion, heart, and immunity.
And that's exactly how you can create video talking foods and veggies using free AI tools. If this video helped you, hit the like button so YouTube shows it to more creators. Subscribe to the daily tutorial. I post AI trends and monetizable content ideas you can actually use.